Hey guys, it is Trainman 46. Back again with another video. It's actually a series, calling it Outdoor Scenery, and as the name states, it's basically finding scenery outside. So I have three things for you today: some dried up moss, and you can also choose lichen, some more mulch, but the other stuff sawdust actually, or just some tree stuff. So, and my layout, and actually, I can't tell if they're asphalt pebbles or pebbles covered in asphalt, but that makes it a really great coal. And also these, oh, that's part of that. It came with my house, I guess, on a pegboard. Actually, great stuff. Pegboards are great. Um, yeah. So these are great for storing cereal, and it can attach to a pegboard, slip it in. But yeah, I'm trying to put my camera toward this, so maybe the thumbnail will be I don't know, because I don't choose thumbnails, whatever. Thanks to my 50 subscribers. Thanks to her subscribing, I don't know. Okay, so let's just get to it. Like, you might need a strainer for some of the stuff, but, or not. Sometimes you smear it around, it looks kind of good, and the foam. I can't see it, but I'm pretty sure you guys can see it. Not showing up my camera screen. Well, let me put it down. I'm working on getting an iTunes gift card so I can go back to editing. Everyone thinks my speaker that goes, "Hello guys," but that's just me. My teeth are, yeah, I'm not gonna. So yeah, the mulch we know works. It really works for getting in cracks and crevices. Works for getting ballast dirty. Which also brings me another point, while I'm getting stuff. You can model dirty and replaced ballast. Because in areas I've seen along the railroad, Norfolk Southern has been putting down new, or at least filtering new ballast, so it looks more clean and more gravelly-ish. More than the dirt kind of stuff would. So that's definitely used to make the ballast or gravel look more used. The next up would be the moss. You can use dried up moss. Never use anything alive. Animals and stuff. Just use the moss. Like, just sun dry it outside for a little bit. I had some a little while ago and never went. And then it'll look kind of like this, but more flat, kind of like a bush. I had some earlier, I don't know where it went. And last but not least, actually not last, I have more stuff. This fake coal, or charcoal. It's basically asphalt pebbles. You might blend some of the stuff again. So I am getting a blender soon. Cheap one probably. But yeah, you definitely want to get the smaller stuff. And maybe use again, a strainer, just to get all the smaller ones down. But yeah, so far that's what we have. The mulch is just underlying, so but it really adds effect. And other stuff you can use basically anything in nature that's dead. Dead leaves, rocks, dirt that's dried up. And we're doing construction for a dog pen. And there's some actually railroad ties. I think a little longer than usual probably. Yeah, that's at least these. I don't know. I think actually no, these are railroad ties. So you could build your own railroad if you have an abandoned railroad somewhere. Yeah, but not the point. You could use some of this dirt you find in the ground. Here we go. This stuff, just crush it up with a hammer maybe. Some of this stuff, pebble on the ground you find. Yeah, any dead stuff, dried up stuff. Here's mulch. Or moss. I'm trying to keep my videos less than 10 minutes, less than 6. But obviously that's not gonna happen right now. There's so yeah, that's hold on. Try to get a good shot here. That looks really good. It's satisfying, at least for me. But yeah, so you have asphalt, mulch, dried up dirt, dried up moss. These things are really helpful. Clear jars, and anything dead that looks good. But yeah, I can't wait till my layout gets back from the old house. That's my new house. I have a lot more space in there. And yeah, it's kind of getting long, but okay. See you later, and hit that subscribe button.